What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we're going to be going over baby Dogecoin. As you can see, I finally got everything set up in here, so now I'm going to be coming with the daily baby Doge videos like I was doing once before. Now it's revamped because I'm inside the new place, and I'm really excited to come back with these videos. Couldn't get a video out yesterday because I was setting up this desk and putting stuff together after a full 12-hour day at work. Just got off of doing overtime, another 12-hour day at work, but now I'm back here again with another baby Doge video. So shout out to the whole baby Doge army. This is who I do it for. I do it for all of you, and I also have baby Dogecoin myself, so I'm doing it for all of us. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section, and definitely let me know what you all want me to go over next, because I'm going to be going over more than just baby Doge, but baby Doge is going to be the main focus of this channel. There is not going to be a day that I miss baby Dogecoin video, and yeah, every now and then I might miss a day here and there, but for the most part, I'm really going to be coming every day with these videos. So yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send some donations through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. You don't got to send much. You don't got to send anything. You can send $1 or you can send no dollars. But yeah, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing I want to talk about with baby Doge, literally the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 100%. So it's showing that we're 100% bullish. And I actually just noticed a pattern here at baby Doge. I'm so happy to be able to look at this actual chart because I haven't been able to do this for a few days, and it's really been getting me mad. But look, I've been noticing this right here. You can see like we're trading sideways right now. Not necessarily sideways, but it's kind of like the consolidation, I like to call it. So what you can see here with the consolidation areas, you can see when baby Doge comes off of a dip, it usually ends up trading sideways for a little while, going into this little consolidation type period. So it's done this multiple times before a breakout. And I know this is a poorly drawn triangle here, but it's just kind of a gist of what we could be doing, because we might be reenacting the same thing right here. Actually, let me take off these indicators so you can kind of see it. So now you can see it way more clear right here, and it kind of looks like the same exact thing. Like it's looking literally the same. So I think we might actually have the potential to break out here again with baby Doge, because this is exactly what happened before in baby Doge, and it happens every single time. Like baby Doge pumps, it goes sideways for a little bit, and then boom, another pump, and then it goes sideways for a little bit, boom, another pump. Same thing here, and same thing right here. So we actually might see baby Doge breaking out very soon. So if we were to see it break out from this area, I want to go over pretty much what I think it'll be. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Baby Doge could do anything. It could take 100% dip. No, it can't take 100% dip, but it could take like a 10% dip from here. But anything happen, 10% jump, 10% dip. But I think this is going to be more than likely a rise in price, just because of the patterns that we just now looked at. Now, if we follow those patterns to a T, we're definitely going to rise in baby Dogecoin. So right now, the area that we are in right now shows that we do have less demand for this area. But notice how the red areas, they're less demand, supply and demand, right? And then the green areas are supply and demand for more demand. But just notice how the red area is moving sideways. Even though it shows that we have less demand, we're still not going down with the less demand. You can look at the oscillator. It still shows that we're still having a little bit of buying volume coming in. So even though we do have less demand, we still have the core baby Dogecoin holders buying more for the dip. So pretty much what we're seeing here, this little green area here shows our supply and demand of more demand. And then we have a very lightly shaded green area. So even if we did take a dip, we would probably stop here at the Fibonacci retracement. And if we broke that, we would go down to 3.2. I've been talking about the 3.2 area for a while now, because that's a really good area of support for us. And then also 2.8 is a really good area for support. So I do think right now we are more than likely going to go on the uptrend, not the downtrend. But if it was a downtrend, we would first hit 3.5 to 3.4, and then we would hit 3.2, and then we would hit 2.8. And then from there, we would probably bounce back and go on an uptrend, just like how we did back here on the other day of the 9th. So we got a lot of good stuff going on for baby Doge fundamentally. So we're going to be going over that as well. But technically, we also got some good numbers. Now, mind you, we do have a lot of areas where we do have less demand. Remember, the red areas show that we have less demand. So all the way from here, all the way up to about here, it shows that we have a little bit less demand. So that means nothing, because all that means is that the baby Doge holders who just now bought a bunch of baby Doge, they're holding it, they're waiting for another dip to buy more. And that's why we have these areas of support. So when we dip, they're going to buy more. We're all going to buy more because that's pretty much what we do here in baby Doge. When we see the dip, we buy, buy, buy. But I do want to mention something with the supply and demand areas. When you look at the supply and demand areas of less demand, it also, it tells you a lot about the holders and about the new holders that are coming in. So we have a lot of new holders. We have 1.2 million holders now. So as we get more and more and more holders, the less demand areas start becoming less and less significant because those holders are bringing more money and volume into baby Doge. And then also we're going to have the big whales buying more baby Doge as well. We've seen that huge $1.7 million order inside baby Doge a few days ago. And that was a huge one-time order. Now we're going to be seeing a lot of different stuff like that coming in the future. So that's definitely good. And I'm really excited that we're finally above 1.2 million holders. Like, you got to think about it. Just inside December, like the 1st of December, we're at 1 million holders. And now 1 month later, 200,000 holders up, literally in less than a month and a half, 200,000 holders up. Come on now. What kind of crypto project does that? 200,000 holders in less than 2 months. That's huge right there. It's about a month and a week in baby Dogecoin, 200K holders. That's crazy right there. I don't see any other crypto communities doing this, because this is more than just a crypto project. This is a crypto community. And when you have communities built around like a strong foundation like baby Doge, just anything's possible. And I want to give a big shout out to some of the community people too. So before we actually go over some of the fundamentals that we have, I want to go and give a big shout out to first Ultra243 is one of the biggest baby Doge supporters here on Reddit and on Twitter. So shout out to Ultra243 for supporting baby Dogecoin. Literally huge, 14,000 karma. That's really hard to do. That's like really hard to do. But anyways, look at this. Baby Dogecoin petitions almost every single day. You got the baby Dogecoin trendings stuff every single day. You got baby Dogecoin daily task about what you could do to help baby Doge. So all you got to do is search stuff and then go to these different websites, and then you got different voting options for baby Doge, and he's posting these every single day. So shout out to Ultra243. We really love the support that you're giving baby Doge and all this good stuff you're doing for baby Doge. Shout out to Ultra243. Like, this is huge work right here. This is a lot of stuff, and I definitely want to see Ultra243 get a donate button somewhere so we can donate to him, as he's making all of this good content about baby Doge on Reddit here. So also shout out to the first baby Doge podcast by our baby Doge army members, Reflections Babies, and also baby Boom, or baby Doom Doo. I almost said boom. But yeah, shout out to both of them for doing this Spotify podcast and a Apple podcast as well. So this is pretty big. We finally got the first unofficial baby Doge podcast, and the only reason why it's unofficial because it's not actually made by the developers, but still, this is official of the baby Doge army. Like, this is the first podcast that you can actually go on Spotify and listen to. And if you're not following it, go to Spotify. If you don't have Spotify, Apple Music, I was listening to it earlier. Definitely go check that out. They got some pretty good stuff out there. Shout out to both of them, from the UK to the US. We got the whole baby Doge army up in here. This is like really big. We got so much stuff going on for baby Doge. But yeah, shout out to them for starting this up, and go ahead and follow them on Twitter as well, because the baby Doge army needs the support of everyone. And I want to support everyone who's genuine about baby Doge and actually genuine about the project and is actually in it and not just trying to make a quick buck. So shout out to the whole baby Doge army. Shout out to the new podcast that they got. Y'all definitely need to go check that out. Now, let's talk about some of the good stuff going on inside baby Dogecoin in the news. So CoinMarketCap has been talking about baby Dogecoin so much. They've been talking about us so much. Shout out to CoinMarketCap for doing this. Look here, baby Dogecoin has had a surge of 143% at the start of 2022. All that good stuff coming straight from CoinMarketCap. Remember, a lot of people go to CoinMarketCap every day just to get news about different cryptos. So they might not even know about baby Dogecoin. This is huge, because now when they come to CoinMarketCap, they're going to see baby Doge. And look, you even got here on the side, Dogecoin, Sheep, and baby Doge right there at the number 3. So we're going to see baby Dogecoin probably get somewhere near the same market cap as Doge and Sheep. So when we see baby Dogecoin do that, same thing as Doge and Sheep, like, that's going to be a huge rise from where we're at now. We're going to see huge rise in price action with baby Doge. So just get prepared, because look, this is just the beginning. Like, we're up 3,892% from the all-time low. This is just the beginning. We just started inside June, and now we're already pumping. pumping. So we got a lot of good stuff going on for baby Doge right now. We are up a whole 4.2% for the last 24 hours. Not too shabby. And then up 34% in the last inside the last 7 days. And then 14 days, we're up 113%. In the last 30 days, 148%. So we're doing good numbers in baby Doge. We got the good market cap going on, 626 million, probably a little bit above that because CoinGecko doesn't update like automatically like that. And then we got the fully diluted at 1.6 billion, and then 24-hour trading volume of 23 million. So yeah, we got good stuff going on in baby Doge. And not only this that CoinMarketCap is talking about for baby Doge, they're also doing technical analysis on baby Doge now. So yes, CoinMarketCap is now doing technical analysis on baby Doge. This is a huge sign right here. Literally, even though CoinMarketCap isn't updating us as much as they should be, they really should be updating baby Dogecoin like daily. But when you come over here and you look at the circulating supply, it tells you it just tells you the wrong number. This is not our circulating supply. This is a problem that's been going on with CoinMarketCap. But they have been trying to, get things right. But, things just aren't looking right over here. So I definitely want to see CoinMarketCap fix it up here because the baby Dogecoin is looking a little bit wonky on CoinMarketCap. That's why I use CoinGecko. And I know a lot of you probably been having problems with CoinMarketCap as well with baby Doge. It just should not be showing 268 quadrillion. We're at 164 quadrillion. So it's just kind of weird that they're showing that. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing with baby Doge. I do want to go over their technical analysis and show you what they're talking about from their point of view. So over here, they're saying baby Doge is still in an uptrend on a macro level. So this is because it has continued to form highs and lows and lower lows pretty much. So however, buyers didn't have the strength to push it to the new all-time highs. This is understandable due to Bitcoin's recent price action. So I'm definitely with them on that. They're definitely right. You got to look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is at $42,000, yet baby Doge is still pumping. Like, you can't blame us for not passing our all-time high. Like, Bitcoin is down. Everything in the crypto market is down. You got Solana down 16% in the last 7 days. Everything is doing terrible in the crypto market. We've lost so much market cap inside of Dogecoin and SHIB. SHIB is now at 15 billion. SHIB was at 55 billion market cap, and now it's at 15 billion. Doge was at like 23 billion. Doge was way higher than that, like later on or earlier on, but still, you're seeing all this different stuff losing market cap. Bitcoin had like 1.2 trillion. Now it has 809 billion, but baby Doge still pumping, still getting more money inside baby Doge. This is a telltale sign that we are one of the strongest communities in crypto. If we can hold our numbers stronger than Bitcoin can hold, then that really tells you something. Like, Bitcoin is the top crypto in all of crypto. Yet baby Doge is holding its price and continuing to gain market cap and volume while Bitcoin and everything else is going down. That's huge right there. It's huge. And I definitely believe baby Doge is going to take off in the near future. But yeah, let's keep going over this. So they say this is an understandable thing, because Bitcoin's down and everything else is down and everything follows Bitcoin. So anyways, if the price can consolidate around the 2576 support level, then a further move up could be anticipated. So the bullish structure could be maintained down at the 175 area. Now, I'm going to say this now. They're a little bit bearish here. They're talking about a very low support of 2576 and 175. I don't think we're going to see 175 anytime soon in baby Doge. Like, after the pump that we just had, I don't see it happening anytime soon. Now, I do want to mention something else about baby Doge, and I know I'm mentioning a lot of stuff here about baby Doge. This is going to get into a long video. But when you look at the baby Dogecoin price, and then you look at the supports that we already set here, 3.4, 3.5, or yeah, the 3.4 support, and then we got the 3.2 support and the 2.8 support. They're talking about 2.5. So you kind of got to take it with a little bit of a grain of salt, because you already seen that they have everything wrong with baby Dogecoin over here at the circulating supply. So they don't know as much about baby Doge and what we got going on and what we're about to have happen inside the baby Doge army. And they don't know that stuff like we do. And it's obvious, but it's still good that we have them talking about us. I just hope that they don't scare people off by saying that it's going to go down to 175 and 2.5. But I would say the support that we're looking at realistically, 3.2 and 3.4. And even when we hit the 2.8 area previously on the knife, we immediately started to pump. So yeah, if we went down again, we would go back down to that 2.8 area. And then if we broke 2.8, then yes, they're right. We could see 2.5 if we broke 2.8. But we don't even need to be looking at 2.5 right now. We need to be we need to keep our eyes locked on 2.8 and 3.2. So that's pretty much what I got right there for that. But anyways, they say the consolidation between the 3646 area and the 2576 area could be seen as accumulation area, which is definitely true. We definitely see our supply and demands of more and less demand in that area. There is a little bit less demand at 3.5, but there is more demand literally right below that area. This little green bar here is right below that area at 3.4. So it's a really tight range, and that is a key sign of consolidation. So it's almost inevitable that Baby Doge takes off at this point. Like, we're looking at the price, and it's kind of hard to do a technical analysis because of the way it's moving. Like, when you take the indicators off and you look at it, you're just like, wow, this is slowly but surely inching up to a breakout point. So I'm literally predicting that we could have a breakout coming very soon in Baby Doge, like coming right out of this consolidation. We could break out very soon. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nothing is financial advice. Me personally, I'm going to continue to buy more Baby Doge because that's what I'm going to be doing. I had to sell just a little bit to move into this new place. And you can see everything out here. But now I'm buying back in because I'm getting paid for my regular day job. And now that I'm getting paid from that, putting that money straight into Baby Doge. That's how it goes. But anyways, that's my strategy, continuing to buy the dips. I couldn't get back in at 3.2 because there was a problem with Simplex on Trust Wallet. When you hit the buy button, it just wouldn't work for me for some reason. Probably is working now, so I'm definitely gonna have to check that out and buy some more. But anyways, this is all I'm gonna show for the technical analysis for Baby Doge through CoinMarketCap, because I'm looking at their levels that they're looking at, and they're looking a little bit bearish here. But they're looking at a little bit bearish in the short term. Like, I definitely believe that they think that it can go higher in the long term. But, short term, I'm still bullish with Baby Doge. Like, we got too much going on. Binance listing could be coming soon. We got the wallets, the exchange, the debit cards. We just now had AMA with Certic, which was kind of a little bit weird, but still, we're still gonna have good stuff coming for Baby Doge. But anyways, Baby Doge surpasses Ethereum as most traded coin amongst biggest Binance Smart Chain whales. So the biggest Binance Smart Chain whales are now buying Baby Doge. This is kind of similar to what happened with Sheep. The biggest Ethereum whales were buying Sheep, and then Sheep started to pump. Sheep hit huge numbers, $50 billion, because the largest whales in Ethereum were buying Sheep like crazy. Now the largest Binance whales are buying Baby Doge like crazy. So it's kind of the same thing. And they're pretty much reenacting the same thing. We're going to see Baby Doge take off in the near future. It's kind of funny just to watch it like this, because a lot of people are doubting Baby Doge, saying we have too much circulating supply, saying that we're spamming on different people's community pages. But what they don't understand about Baby Doge is the community is so strong that people are willing to go out their way to promote Baby Doge. Like, look at me. I'm up at 9:27 p.m. after working a 12-hour shift at my day job talking about Baby Doge. Like, we got the whole community here. We got Ultra243 posting every single day about Baby Doge. We got Reflections, baby. We got Baby Doge Doom Do, or yeah, Baby Doge Doom Doo Doo. It sounds funny saying the name, but yeah, we got all this stuff going on for the Baby Doge army, the Baby Doge community. We're going crazy right now. Like, we're literally going crazy with the Baby Doge community. This is kind of like how when Sheep was, starting up, and Sheep started to get that, like, a lot of talk about it, then it just blew up. Baby Doge is doing the same thing, and we're just gonna blow up. Like, we already had a huge uptrend while Baby Doge, or while Bitcoin was going down. Bitcoin, everything going down, and then Baby Doge just pumping to the moon. But anyways, we even got Bloomberg talking about us. Like, come on, Bloomberg. They got one of the biggest following for the stock markets. Literal billionaires and millionaires go and view stuff at Bloomberg. So the fact that we got them talking about this is huge, because when these millionaires and billionaires go to Bloomberg and they see a Baby Doge article, they're going to click it. They're going to be like, wait, what is this? And then they're going to be like, Baby Doge coin surged 99% while Bitcoin is going down, while everything else is going down. Then what do you think is going to happen? Well, then those same people are going to put that money into Baby Dogecoin, because they see that despite the whole crypto market going down, this is the one thing that's going up. And yeah, look at them. They're trying to charge me some money for their digital subscription. I'm not going to do that. But anyways, the people who are looking at Bloomberg are paying money to see this type of stuff. So if they're paying money for good information, and they get this information about Baby Doge, that's automatically going to register in their brain that this is good information and that this is something they should invest in, because they're paying for it and they're going to need that return on investment. So that's a little bit of psychology 101 right there. But anyways, let's move on from there and talk about down payments. Look, this is a huge Baby Doge video, because I've been I've been waiting to make a baby Doge video, so I know this is probably getting long. This is probably at like 25 minutes by now. But I literally just got everything set up in here, just worked a 12-hour day, and couldn't wait to get back here and talk about baby Doge. So I'm going to end it very soon, promise. But first, I want to go over this. So yeah, baby Doge is trending. And now guess what? Now Payments wants to get everyone to accept baby Doge since they've already did it for Sheep. They pushed Sheep and Doge so hard. Literally, Walmart accepting it, Amazon accepting it through Now Payments, all these different companies accepting Dogecoin and Sheep through Now Payments. And now Payments is trying to get everyone else to do this with baby Doge. Now, I don't know if the tokenomics are going to be a thing inside of the Now Payments, because it would definitely suck if every single transaction that you purchase or sell with baby Doge, you had to pay that 10% transaction fee. I really hope that the tokenomics aren't going to be a thing with the Now Payments when you're sending it through Now Payments just for this, but we'll see. But anyways, Uber, they want Uber to accept baby Doge. That'll be huge. Everyone uses Uber. Spotify, I was just now using Spotify to watch the baby Doge or listen to the baby Doge podcast. Amazon, I just now bought this desk off Amazon. I'll buy it with baby Doge if they let me. And then Netflix, I was just now watching Netflix. I got my TV right there. So anyways, I use all these different services except Uber. I just drive around because everything inside of the area where I live at in Florida is so spread apart. I can't use Uber everywhere. But anyways, all this good stuff going on for baby Doge. I can't even fathom it right now. But I'm going to go ahead and end this now because this has been a very long video, very informative. Shout out to the whole baby Doge army. Before we end this, let's talk about this wallet tracker. Already got it. Ethereum bridge, already got it. NFT collection already made. One of them already released. And then the other ones, they're probably planning a little bit of a release schedule for some more NFTs. And then guess what? Baby Doge wallet coming very soon. Baby Doge virtual and physical debit cards coming soon. Baby Doge exchange coming soon, and then the arcade and the NFT marketplace. So we got all this good stuff coming out for baby Doge literally very soon. And actually, if you want to go to directly to the baby Doge website, go there. You can see the whole roadmap. You can see updates to the roadmap whenever they make them. And yeah, you'll see all this baby Doge crypto card. And this is going to be the biggest thing for baby Doge when we finally get this card. This is going to be huge. And it says initially only in EEA in UK. So I don't know when they're going to, release it for the US once it really comes out. But I know they said they're going to release it for the UK first, and then they're going to release it for the US, probably because different regulations in the US. So they're going to have to do it like that. But yeah, we got so much going on here with baby Doge. This is really all I have for today. But yeah, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. Yeah, you don't have to donate anything, or you could donate one thing. You could donate $1, or you can donate nothing. Either way, it helps. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.